currently I am a senior software engineer at Verizon as a technical lead. So I have total experience of 9 years. Here I studied 100%, there I gave only 20%. I have seen gods in these teachers.
IT इंडस्ट्री की करंट डिमांड्स क्या है? Hello everyone, with us today we have Kirti, alumni from Simage Group of Institution, and she's also BCA topper. So let's hear it out from her.
Hi everyone, so this is Kirti. I'm an alumni of 2011 to 14 batch from CMH College, and as she mentioned, I am a BCA topper as well. So I was the topper just because of how the teachers has taught me here. They were very talented, they always was like behind me only, like even I was the behind them, like okay sir, teach me this, teach me that, and for the practical also, and any kind of short of information, or like I can just tell like study should come from inside. If you are really willing to study and achieve something in your life, so entire world will be like supporting you. So I have seen gods in these teachers. So my time mein Sony sir was there who taught me Java, Amit sir, Prasanna sir, and Ajay sir, and Jitendra sir, who is still working here, and he is like supporting anything other than the study and all those things, like, but he is supporting for everything. Management is good, low, so I have only concentrated on the study, and not only study, like I have participated for other cultural activities also, like I was very active participates in the cultural activities like a dance and all those things. So now also I am a dancer, dance choreographer, like I am teaching to the people and all in my community, and I am organizing some events also, like I am choreographing. So this is my another professional part-time job, but currently I am a senior software engineer at Verizon as a technical lead. So I lead a team. So we all are like complete project I am leading, and at Verizon. So I have total experience of 9 years, and I am settled there and with a good package.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier that she has passed out in 2014. तो मैम आपको तब के कॉलेज में कॉलेज के एनवायरनमेंट में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो या फिर फैकल्टी हो, और अभी आपने जो रिसेंटली विजिट किया तब में अभी क्या डिफरेंस आपको होता है?
I can just see multiple branches, okay, as I am not going to inside and studying, right, so I can't tell, but yeah, infrastructure got developed, so I think lot of student will get benefit of it, because we have lot of classes, might be lot of admissions also might be started, right, from our my time it was a very less student compared to now, maybe. So as it is a good college, so there are a lot of opportunity for other students also to come here and study and take this opportunity and grow in their life. So which I can tell they are doing very great of increasing their branches, so that lot more students can learn here.
तो मैम आपका जो 3 साल का जो BCA कोर्स आपने किया सिमिट से, वो अभी आपको प्रोफेशनली कैसे हेल्पफुल रहा आपके लिए?
Professionally कैसे helpful रहा? So we will learn everything basics here only, right, like C, C++, Java, everything, all the languages, like the from basic you will start, like language is nothing but if you are learning another language, French, so from where you will learn basic, right? So obviously BCA will be the base of any students, so it will be helpful, and as I said, I was the student who will give my best to the learning only. So I have studied from the scratch, and it really helped for me for my masters, because lot of subject like it was similar, okay, so it was very helpful for me. Like here I studied 100%, there I gave only 20%, okay. So even there also I was a topper, so I have managed nicely, and then I studied, and then it really helped.
सो जो अभी स्टूडेंट्स हमें देख रहे हैं BCA के, जो अभी या फिर IT डिपार्टमेंट में स्टूडेंट्स देख रहे हैं, तो मैम आप उन्हें क्या एक सजेशन देना चाहेंगे या फिर बताना चाहेंगे कि प्रेजेंट इंडस्ट्री नीड्स क्या है?
Best thing what I can suggest is take advantage of your teachers. They are here to help you and guide you for all the area. If you are stuck in anywhere, they are the one who will guide you, because BCA is the very core and the very starting phase of your life, where you have to strong your root, like we can tell, right? Root should be strong. So if you can strong your BCA root, then you can achieve anywhere. If you are planning for the masters, MSc IT and any other degree, or you wanted to go to other jobs, so the basic understanding will come from here, so that you will not feel new there. And good part, you just take advantage of your CMH college.
मैम जैसे आपका बैकग्राउंड BCA रहा है, तो हम जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी IT इंडस्ट्री की करंट डिमांड्स क्या है?
Okay, as per you, my background is BCA, but I have completed my BCA, MCA, and I have done my MBA also in ITSM. There is a information technology service management. So that will help you to grow in the IT. Like now I am a developer. If I have to grow like a manager or team lead or something else in the future, so I should have the knowledge of managing the client and everyone, right? So for that purpose I have grown. But as per your question, what is the current demand? As everyone knows, like AI is the current demand. Okay, so this thing, when I was in BCA, it didn't taught because it was not there. But I think now in your in the CMH might be there.
अभी की जनरेशन में, अभी के टाइम पीरियड में पीपल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम मेंटेनिंग वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. सो मैम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आप वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कैसे मेंटेन करती हैं?
Okay, I don't think so like people should maintain work life balance, because work anyway is the thing where you have to work. Okay, if you are from your heart, if you are working, you should work. Okay, so give your proper time, 100% time to your work. If you are interested, obviously if you got the job, that means you are interested itself. Okay, life balance means obviously to put 100% to your work, you should be fit. You should be mentally strong, because I am from the IT background, I am a developer, so I should be mentally fit, physically fit, so that I have to go to the gym or do some other activities and do some our like professional, like personal hobbies. Like for me, dance only, so I'll spend some time. My weekends will be there, I'll get Saturday and Sunday, so I'll utilize, so that those other things other than my work will make me happy, so that happiness I can pour into my work. That too, anyway, work is giving me another peak level of happiness. So but for that energy I have to get it from other side. For me, my dance, I should be fit, I should eat properly, my brain should be calm, and the major thing is whatever I am learning, I should also give to others also, like teach others, guide others, so that others also can follow the same path.
Okay, so from today's conversation, I have learned that dedication is the key, and thank you so much for giving us your valuable time, and best of luck for your future.